Sasha woke up in a different place. It was light, but she knew it was still dark because she looked at a giant clock and it said 9:30 p.m. So, she started to trot around. When she came across the same mirror, she was with a human. Bella, what are you doing here? You are in Olympus. Or should I say Horse Olympus, where the gods and goddesses, horse gods and goddesses, live. Right now they're all asleep down there. They're in this. Anyway, I'd like you to meet someone. The goddess of horses, Sarah. Oh, it's a pleasure to meet you, Your Majesty. Oh, please, call me Julie. Sarah. Julie or Sarah. Your Majesty, please call me Sarah or Julie. Okay, Sarah. But Bella, my family, they're down there. On Earth. You're gonna have to stay up here. We're gonna be training you to act more like a goddess and how to sanctum your powers. But my family, don't worry about them. They'll be fine. But Bella couldn't be more wrong. Because without the caring help of their mother, the foals would start to be rough. And they'd start acting very tough towards each other and violent. How are you going to train me up here? Oh, you know, mainly a whole lot of